Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free photo resizer apps for your Android phone. So if you want to resize your photos in your phone, then do check out this video till the end. First we have is Image Size. Simple to take in use. You can set the width, height, pixel, mm, centimeter and inches. From here, you can select the other images, or you can take pictures by camera. Background color is also changeable. You can check out the photo editor tool. In settings, you can manage the things like print size correction factor, JPG quality, grid, and few more. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second one we have is Photo Resizer HD. Straightforward to use. Tap here. Now select the image that you want to reduce. You can choose manually or select the presets. Also you can rotate the image. After all done, tap here to save it. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Photor. Heavily loaded with tons of editing features. Select the image, choose the option Resize, and select some free available options. For more, you have to pay. You can check out the other options also. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this one. Fourth we have is CS Image Compressor. This is super light for most of the system or device. In Resize, you can set the width and height all according to you. In downside, you can compress the photo and change the image format. And after resizing done, tap here. Now you can save it. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Photo and Picture Resizer. Select the photo, and now you can resize the image, like selecting dimensions percentage, width and height, file size, resolution, and social media formats. Options like crop and rotate are also here. Here you can see the output photos. Also, you can compress the video, but for that you have to install another app. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.